got. Riding down your block with that thing, about to let it go. Show me what you got. Show me what you got. Riding down your block with that thing, about to let it go.
I'm so excited that teamI reached out to me and invited me.
ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇವನ್ನ A to Z.
Super excited to be a part of.
For such a grand festival and celebration today.
ನಾನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಇಷ್ಟು ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಇವೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ.
And I have to give a big thumbs up to each and everyone at teamI because I think they did a phenomenal job.
We feel so proud and take this pride of associating and motivating and being a part of the student.